Guys, welcome back. Alpha Wolf here. This is the channel I give you guys latest update. I give you guys information and teach you quality content, how to make money online, trading, affiliate marketing, everything that brings money. Currently we are 12,800 subscribers on this channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So the last time I made a video on clickback alternative in Nigeria, and I gave you guys 3 free affiliate marketing platform. I mind you, those platforms are foreign platforms. Today's video I'll be updating you guys on something I just discovered, right? So forget about ClickBank and its partners. Start affiliate marketing in Nigeria for free. And the beautiful thing is that if you are from Africa, anywhere in Africa, you can actually start affiliate marketing for free without joining ClickBank or its partner. And they have a lot of beautiful digital products you can promote. Alright, so without wasting time on this video, before now, a lot of Nigerians, they want to create affiliate marketing account, they'll go to xpartner.com. Now, xpartner.com is an affiliate marketplace owned by a Nigerian guy. But the issue with xpartner is the fact that it is very difficult for you to create an account because you have to pay money. So if you are totally broke, you don't have money, you don't have any capital, it is difficult for you to start making money from a partner. And the major challenge is simply because we don't really have a lot of affiliate marketplace that accept Nigerians, but I've discovered a marketplace that pays you well and you don't need any money. Now the name of this affiliate marketing marketplace is called StakeCut. StakeCut.com. And the funny thing is, I just discovered this platform. I just created an account. I've not even started promoting products on this platform, but I said let me show you guys because I love you guys, and one thing I do here is I want everybody to make money, because I'll be going on to teach more series on affiliate marketing, and I want you guys to follow step by step. Now, StakeCut.com, you say take affiliate orders in dollars and in major African currencies by simply copying and pasting a single line of your code, right? Look at it. Join 3,000 from different countries. Look at Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, Uganda, South Africa, and other African countries. So basically, all you can do now, you can take your business global from Africa with just a single line of code and a global affiliate network. StakeCut is the easiest way to start an online business and get more sales. So basically, if you have an online business, a digital business, you can feature your business on StakeCut.com. And if you are an affiliate marketer, you want to make money promoting products from StakeCut, you can actually make money promoting products from StakeCut.com. So every information concerning this platform is on their official website, right? The beautiful thing about this platform is that you can collect as much as 50% commission promoting products. So your product is like, maybe because they are even paying you in dollars, if your product is $100 and you promote that product, you make any sale, then you're going to collect $50, while the owner of the product is going to collect $50. Now there are lots of online courses you can do for you to learn how to use this platform. Now there's a place on this platform that is called the StakeCut University. The StakeCut University is where you can learn about affiliate marketing, how to draw your sales funnel, and other stuff like that, right? So just go on to create your account and learn all these things on the StakeCut University, and from there you begin to make money from the platform, right? You don't have any problem, you don't have any issue, you don't have any worries. For you to create an account on StakeCut.com, you just come to this place and click on claim a free account. Although I have an account already, but for the sake of this tutorial, you're going to put your first name, you're going to put your last name, then after that you're going to put your email address and you put your password. When you finish that, you're going to click on sign up. When you click on sign up with email, they're going to send a confirmation code, a 6-digit confirmation code. When you get that 6-digit confirmation code, immediately you put that code. The next thing that's going to happen on StakeCut.com is that they're going to load, it's going to reload, and you're going to put your email address and your password to log in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sign in, since I already have an email address and password. As you can see, I've signed in now. I just created my account. I've not even updated my account. I can come here to update, so you can see that so far I'm just having $0. I have not done anything. I just got this update and I decided to come and share with you guys, right? If you come to this place, you will see affiliate, you will see leaders dashboard, you see the marketplace, you see approved products, blah blah blah. So for example, you can come to this marketplace for you to see the products that are there. Once you come to marketplace, you're going to see different affiliate marketing marketplace. Look at Amazon KDP for smartphone, Amazon Affiliate Accelerator, Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Pro, Online Boss Academy program. There are lots of interesting affiliate marketing products on this platform. Look at this particular product, full pack smartphone video edit, advanced sales funnel, passive blueprint, Upwork mastermind, blah 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 blah. So basically there are many courses on those platforms, including mini importation courses and stuff like that. And then you can go on to start making money promoting this course. For those of you that don't know how to promote affiliate marketing product course, then just stick with me on this channel. I'll be teaching you guys various strategies. I've done so in the past, I've done so for a while. I'll continue to give you guys more updates, on this new development. But basically I'm just telling you can start promoting affiliate marketing products totally for free, without any capital, without anything. And I'm sure you guys will really love this video. This platform, you can see this particular one, Joseph Adeyemo. The guy has made over 53 sales. This guy has made over 38 sales. This person has made 64 sales. This person has made 12 sales, 14 sales. I can see a lot of people that have made decent amount of sales from this platform, and majority of them are Nigerians. And I'm sure if they are not getting their money paid to them, they won't be on this platform promoting products. So the beautiful thing is that people are already doing this stuff, and trust me, when you see me come like this to share you guys updates, the honest truth is because I genuinely want to see everybody on my platform make money. Because at the end of the day, your money is not going to affect my money. The sky is so large for all of us to succeed, and I will start promoting products from this platform almost immediately. The only limitation I see on this platform is that this platform doesn't have enough product like ClickBank, and that is just basically the limitation. And also majority of the products here are digital products. They don't really have a lot of diversified products on this platform. Outside that, at least you can begin to start any money from this platform and start making sales. If you join this platform with the other 3 platforms I told you guys about, NutriProfit, and the other 2, JVizu and Co, I'm sure you should have a lot of alternative to start promoting your product, right? That is me just coming here to give you guys updates. If you have any issues creating your account, please let me know. If you find this content very interesting, just write a thank you. It's going to go a long way to make me feel good, because I'd already closed for the day, but then look at the time, 8:22. I was like, no, I saw this update, I'm not going to let my people go without seeing this night, right? I have a very loaded video for tomorrow, and I'm going to drop it tomorrow. That video is going to be an awesome one, because I'll be revealing a lot of stuff concerning WhatsApp on that video. What else again? Don't forget to share this video, like, leave a comment. I love you guys. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.